In this video, you're going to learn how to get money to chase you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money that you desire, the love that you crave, and the happiness and health that you absolutely depend upon. That's why it's important to subscribe to our channel. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life. So I was just looking over some of this money. These are all brand new $100 bills. I'm not really sure how many are here, but there's a few. And I love the vibration of money. Don't you? I mean, seriously, don't you love the vibration of money? And when you have money, doesn't it feel good to have these new, crisp $100 bills versus that, something crinkled that you found in the bottom of your pocket somewhere? That still spends the same, okay? Because high flyers, this really isn't money. This is just a representation of money. You see, money is a vibration. Money is an energy. And when you learn how to align with that energy, how to align with the vibration of money, then money will chase you. So high flyers, I believe everyone deserves as much money as they desire. I really believe that. And unfortunately, most people go about attracting money using lower vibrational energies, such as want. I want more money. Greed. I'm going to get more money coming to me. Pride. It's my money. Desire. I got to have that money. I got to have that money. And fear. What if I don't have the money? What if I don't have the money? What's going to happen? Do you see what I'm saying? All of these emotions are lower, and I'm making fun of them, but all of them are lower vibrational emotions. Yet that's how most people go about manifesting money in their life. And that's why most people are not satisfied with the kind of money that they deserve. They don't really get what they deserve. What I want to talk to you about is getting money to chase you by using a higher form of vibration. And I call it universal, unconditional love. Now, the late Dr. David Hawkins has a scale of consciousness, and toward the top of the scale, he has love, enlightenment being the highest, and then he has peace and joy and happiness, and then love. I disagree with that. I believe that the ancient sages and wisdom teachers would indicate that love is right below enlightenment. Okay, so that's where I put it. It's splitting hairs, but nonetheless, when you operate from a consciousness of love, loving the vibration of money, loving the idea of building something and serving other people, loving prosperity, loving abundance, loving that kind of a lifestyle. And not just for yourself, not from a greedy perspective, but from the perspective of helping others achieve it in their lives as well. So high flyers, one of the things that Rachel and I do every morning when we get up, and after we've had a little breakfast or a walk or a little workout, we talk about how can we be of better service? How can we reach more people with this empowering message on the law of attraction? We don't talk about how can we make more money, because the money comes automatically. You see, the money comes as a result. It chases you. It comes as a result of your universal, unconditional love. You have to first love humanity, love the world, want to serve the world. The more valuable you are to serving the world, to serving humanity, to serving people, the more money you will make. It's that simple. You see, if you really want to learn how to increase your wealth, increase your service, increase what you give to other people, and they will gladly give you all the money they have. They are happy to share their money with you because money is easy to come by. But peace and happiness and love and joy, those are the things that people deeply long for. So high flyers, what I'm really talking to you about is a paradigm shift within yourself. That you are going to operate your life and attract money into your life from a position of love versus fear, from a position of peace and happiness versus greed and worry. Do you see the difference? It's a whole different way of attracting money, and it's more effective. The more you chase money, I mean, you're running after it, you're chasing money, the faster money runs. Don't tell me that $100 bills don't have legs. They do. And if you chase those $100 bills, those $1,000 bills, guess what? They're going to keep on running. But when you stop and you operate your life from a position of service and giving and unconditional love, your vibration, it just explodes everywhere. And everywhere, people want to share their money with you. And that's a wonderful exchange because you're empowering people's lives, you're doing something special for them, and they're sharing with you their money. Because the truth of the matter is, they're sharing with you their heart and soul. You see, money is just a symbol for vibration. And heart and soul and work and effort, that's what money really is. It's a representation for that vibrational energy. And they will gladly give it to you if you will give them some peace of mind. Keep in mind that the more you want money, the more you keep going out and going, I want money, I need money, gotta have money. The more you want money, high flyers, the more you attract want into your life. Remember, the universe is that giant mirror we keep talking about, and it reflects back exactly what you are. If you are already wealthy, if you are already prosperous, if you are already fit, listen, let me explain this to you. When we're talking about vibration, there is no higher vibration than love and peace and joy and happiness and enlightenment. These are the highest vibrations that exist. If you are operating within the parameters of these vibrations, there's nothing you cannot attract. Because this is the greatest wealth. And what does the universe do? It matches you and it gives you more wealth. If you're already wealthy with love and joy and happiness, you'll receive more love, joy, and happiness. And oftentimes, most of the time, it will be in the form of brand new $100 bills or even more. So high flyers, money will chase you. Money attracts money. Wealth attracts wealth. Prosperity attracts prosperity. True wealth, as I just said a moment ago, is love. It's charity. It's giving. It's joy. It's happiness. It's gratitude. Why do you think when people listen to our gratitude program and they listen to it for a month or two, all of a sudden they call up, I've got a new job, Robert. I just made some extra money doing this. Somebody just gave me that. I mean, they are elated that money and prosperity and wealth is chasing them. Why? Because they're in a state of gratitude, a state of love, a state of joy. And so it becomes very, very easy to attract when you're in that kind of state. High flyers, money will chase you when you finally realize that you are already wealthy. Money is simply making the invisible, that which you cannot see with your physical eyes, visible. That new car, that new boat, that new house, that pay raise, whatever it is that's important to you. The great ancient philosopher Seneca said, it's not that the man who has too little is poor. He's not the poor one, but the man who craves more. He's the poor one. Think about that. Are you poor because you crave more money, because you hunger for more money, and the universe just gives you more hunger, just gives you more hunger? Think in terms of service, as I said earlier. Serve more, give more, do more, love more. Money will chase you. Let me leave you with this thought. Not he who has much is rich, but he who gives much. Erich Fromm, the great psychoanalyst. Here's some other videos I know will help you.